is it?
It's a ring. And it has like a little... It's sterling silver. Blossom of faith. Oh. And it says, with God all things are possible inside of it.
Oh, that's nice.
Let's see. Thank you.
Yeah.
She can't hear you.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, that is pretty.
And it fits on my finger.
Yay. I got it last year. Might need a little shining up. I thought of that later.
It's good. She can't hear me, but it's good. That's sweet.
I did good.
You did good. How awkward for her because she can barely hear us.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're going to wear it for graduation.
I just scan over it and then I really read what they say. I don't know.
Meow.
These presents are always the funnest. No.
Yeah, no ribbon for you. Baby. Need my knife. Oh.
No.
What is it?
Okay, you're broken.
Aww.
Ah.
And you can put a tassel in there.
Oh, that's cool.
that's
And I
Cool.
have 3 extra.
How'd they get a picture of you? And whose tassel is
That's
that?
really cool. I'm gonna pick it out.
Yeah.
How'd you already get her diploma and a picture of her?
I'm good.
And your name is John Stewart?
John Stewart?
John Stewart Smith.
Picture it, girl.
No, it's in one piece.
Excellent. I've had them both for a year. I've been anticipating.